All right, it's time for news from the beach, and a beautiful day it is here at Ala Moana Beach Park. Hi there, Dick Allgire here. In my last report, I was talking a bit about gold, and I was just about to make an important point, but the car alarm went off, and I went off talking about the car alarm and forgot to make the most important point. So I'm going to follow up today and get to that. Have you seen the news from China? This is not playing in mainstream news, but it's on the internet. You can see mass demonstrations, people very angry in China because the bank runs have started in China. Yes, I'll say that again. The bank runs have started in China. Apparently, there's some financial problems there and they're limiting withdrawals. And if you get in between Chinese people and their money, they get pissed off. The government is clamping down, tanks in the streets. So things are not going well in China. The monetary system is starting to collapse there, and it will spread. Probably the reason for this, if you look at it from the viewpoint of problem, reaction, solution. Problem with the Chinese yuan, you can't get your money out of the bank. Oh gosh, what can we do? Oh, the digital yuan. Just get your smartphones, people. You know, the banks, getting your cash out of the bank, that's so messy. We can't do that. We're told, by the way, that they're limiting withdrawals to $150 per day. And that's only on certain days of the week. If you try to make too much of a withdrawal, the machine, the ATM machine in China, eats your card. For your safety and protection, we're just going to keep your card and limit withdrawals. So probably the reasoning behind this is to bring in the digital yuan. Of course, the yuan and the US dollar are locked in a deadly embrace. They're doing a grotesque dance of death where the strength of the yuan is dependent upon the US dollar. And of course, we make US dollars out of nothing. It's just printed out of thin air, trillions upon trillions, to buy products from China. So we don't produce anything. We have nothing but debt, and that's what's propping up the yuan. So both are going to go down. Where is this going? What's my point? We're seeing strange things happening with inflation, with the US economy faltering, and you would think gold and silver would be strong, but right now they're not. The euro is dying against the dollar. It reached parity. There's a flight to quality from the euro to the dollar, but all this is just illusionary. The stock market, you don't want to put your money there, that's going to falter. So what's going to happen? We believe at some point, and this is the transition to the new financial system, people are going to realize, the big money is going to realize, that the store of value, the safety, will be in Bitcoin. And that's when cryptos will come off. That's when cryptos will fire off and be the new system. We've been looking at this at CryptoViewing on our private site, which is patreon.com/CryptoViewing. For almost 3 years, we've been doing sessions and looking at the death of the dollar and the switch over to cryptocurrency. And events as they're unfolding now support our data. So we're in very, very interesting and important times. You're going to see a lot of things happening. Watch that bank run, the bank meltdown in China. Watch what happens in the US. Hold your Bitcoin, get your cryptos off the exchange, hold them in a private wallet, and hold on tight. It's going to be a wild ride. Meantime, I live in one of the most beautiful places on earth. To be able to come here every morning, it's a 5-minute drive from my condo. I can come here, forget the cares of the world. I swam today the length of that lagoon. I swam a mile. Aloha!